Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something interesting that has appeared in the Microsoft Store. It seems like Samsung has decided that it would make available its browser that a lot of Samsung users actually use on the Samsung devices, the Samsung Galaxy phones and so on. Actually, on the Samsung devices, it seems that it has a big following, has a lot of users say that it's much faster than Google Chrome on their device and that they actually like it. So it's available in the Microsoft Store as the Samsung Internet browser by Samsung Electronics. And it actually, I've just installed it. And I don't know. It's another Chromium-based project, so no, it's not a different code. It's not a different browser that would, be competition, basically. But its promise is to be slimmed down. It is Chromium-based. You can have your extensions, for those that use different types of extensions, including ad blockers. They'll work in there. They want it to be a stripped-down version of the browser, and if you connect, so if you have an account and connect on your smartphone with the Samsung browser, you can log into your account here and synchronize all of the different, bookmarks and settings that are applied on the phone so that your web experience kind of looks like the experience you have on the phone. So this is going to be interesting to see, how good it is going to be. It has, of course, a little slider where you can change the default search. So here you have Google, Bing, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, and Ecosia. So, which I don't know what that is. So this is interesting. If you want to try it, I've installed it just for the fun of trying it. We'll probably not keep it, but since this is the channel that tries everything for you guys, probably will, play around with it a little bit and give you my impressions in the next few days. So it's available not in all markets. I couldn't find it in Canada in the Microsoft Store. What I did is I clicked the link, the web link that brought me to the Microsoft Store and gave me the possibility to download it. But you might find it in the Microsoft Store as the Samsung Internet. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.